What's good, Elijah gang? It's the one and only Elijah, New York. I'm bringing you guys back another video. And today I got a little mukbang for y'all. Happy New Year's, man. We about to go into 2021 already, man. It's crazy, I'm not gonna lie. First of all, gotta have my bev. You already know I got a Mike's Hard Lemonade. You feel me? Gotta have that real quick. Always gotta have your bev on deck. We got our food. It's just wings. This is fire right here. It's just wings right here. Y'all need to get what I got. I'll show y'all what I got real quick. So let's see. Right here, we got a small fry right here. We got a small fry. It's a curly fry. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, man. Fire. These curly fries is fire. I'm not gonna hold you. Shit is fire. It's valid. And my favorite thing that I got, I'll show you guys. They got the fried Oreos too. I'm gonna have a milkshake with this later though. I'm gonna have a milkshake with this, probably an Oreo milkshake with this. But my favorite thing is gotta be the chicken, man. The chicken. And it comes with more curly fries too. I hate ranch, so we will be getting rid of that ranch. Comes with ranch. I don't like ranch. It's gonna go. So what we have here is this. Bow. Look at that. Look at that. This is fire. Hey yo, let me stop. Look at this though. This is fire though. Just trying to get it down. This is the chicken. This is the This is the apple chicken. Yeah, this is the apple chicken, y'all. This is the apple chicken. It's valid. This is valid. Y'all need to get this for real, for real. Absolutely fire. I'm not gonna lie. This is fire. My setup is almost complete, guys. Excuse me, my setup is almost complete now. All I have to do is get my PC for real, for real. I got my 2 monitors this week. My Blue Yeti is coming next week too, by the way. Just to let you guys know, my Blue Yeti is coming next week. So that's gonna be lit, you feel me? But yeah, this curly fries and shit is fire. I'll actually show you guys what these look like. These little fried Oreos. Fire. These shits is fire. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And you already know who I have to have. You already know I gotta have Metcalf. You feel me? Gotta have Metcalf. And you guys already know the vibes. Yeah, this shit is fire. Really. No cap, y'all. No cap. And the chicken just be hitting different. This chicken be hitting different. It be hitting all the spots, y'all. No cap. For me, this gets a 10 out of 10. No cap. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This gets a 10 out of 10. But yeah, I'm gonna do more IRLs on my channel and stuff. Maybe some GTA videos, some Madden videos. I might go back to current gen, guys, too. I'm not gonna lie, I might go back to current gen. Because next gen's just not it for 2K. No kidding. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This shit boring as fuck. But yeah, I'm home alone for New Year's, man. My shawty is with her baby brother, so yeah. Shit is fire. Man, hope this video doesn't get taken down because I'm drinking alcohol, but it is what it is. If it does get taken out, it is what it is, man. Can't do nothing about it. I'm posting this for you guys. No cap. It's just wings, man. And it's more than just wings. That's the funny thing about it. But this shit's fire, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Go to DoorDash, man. Order that shit. It's fire. I'm not gonna lie. They don't give you napkins either, but it is what it is. Because it says no napkins, no knives, no forks. Killer wings. They do have killer wings. Their wings be going stupid. I mean, I don't really consider these wings. These are chicken tenders, but people like to say boneless wings. Boneless wings is literally chicken tenders. Like, fuck you talking about? Oh, this shit fire though. I don't lie. They're over here said my phone's about to die. It is what it is though, man. I'll hit the charger in a minute. Not gonna lie. I don't lie to y'all. Shit's fire. Now, let me know what you guys want on the channel too. Let me know, comments down below. Cause I need to know what you guys want, man. I'm for the people, man. I'm for the people. Once I get my PC, we going heavy with the streams. We about to do reactions and stuff on stream. It's about to be dead lit though. I'm not gonna hold y'all. It's about to be dead lit. No kidding. It's just chicken be hitting different. And different, man. It's just fire. Make sure you guys always got your bev too, man. Make sure you always got your bev. You already know the vibes. Fire, bro. Not gonna lie. And it fills you right up too. This meal fills you up. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This meal fills you up. No kizzy. It can be in the pricey side though, I'm not gonna lie. But it all depends what you want. But these right here, these little curly fries by themselves, them shits is $2. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of cheap. These shits is $2. And I think I believe I paid $7 for this chicken with the fries, which isn't bad. And then, I think I paid maybe like $4.99 for the fried Oreos. So it can be on the pricey side, man. But food is food, right? It is what it is. I'm killing this shit right now. I gotta hold you. I'm not even gonna finish this all in the video though, guys. This is too funny to fit in the whole video. I'll probably save some for later too, like I always do. Every time I eat from here, I always save food later. It's so funny, no cap. fire, bro. Fire. Fire. Fire as fuck. I eat this shit just like this. I don't even care. And I got a new desk too, y'all. It's lit. Once I get my PC and stuff, I'll show you guys my setup. Don't worry about that. I got y'all. Got y'all with a setup video. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, chat. Excuse me. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but I got Madden. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but I got Madden right here. So I'm about to play Madden. But that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Yo, I just spilled my curly fry, son. All over the floor. Depression. That's going to be the end of the video, though. Depression. $2 wasted, I'm not gonna lie.